everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the second entry into my artist trading card birthday challenge. In order to join my challenge, you have to send me an ATC card by June 4th. You have to be 18 years or older to enter. The contest closes June 4th. I just said that. There'll be three random winners chosen for 3 prizes. One is a $25 gift card. The second one is a $20 gift card. And the third one is a $20 gift card. Winners will be picked by a random prize wheel within 2 weeks of the closing of the contest, but that is subject to change. I just realized I have a lot going on after June 4th. You get 1 entry for sending in an ATC card, and you get bonus entries for posting on your community tab and additional entry for doing a VR. I got this from Deana at It's a Deal. Deana has a really nice channel. She does a lot of crafting, and Deana, I do not know how you do it all. She joins in a lot of collaborations. Like I said, I don't know how she does it all, but I'm so glad she sent me an entry. So what a pretty card. Happy birthday. It's a big cutout. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you a happy birthday. Hope you get lots of entries. Me too. And I did see this on her channel. It's so cute. Look at that. Life is sweet. Has a little watermelon. This is a tag. This is put up on puffy tape. This part right here. And this is, I think it's a little button or a little fruit. So cute. And on the back it has her channel, her Instagram, her birthday, and her address. She loves pastels, die cuts, Disney's, rosettes, and Maggie Holmes. And so this is going to go into my book that I decorated. Wait, what was her birthday again? 8. So that is August. So where's my August? Deana, I think you are the first one in August. And so she is going to go right in here. Woohoo. And then I'll put her name down here. Deana, or let's put It's a Deal. And I know that she did a VR, and I'm going to check her community tab, but I'm pretty sure she put something on her community tab. And so she'll probably have 3 entries. I'll just put CT for community tab. Hope everybody is having a great day. Help me fill up my book, guys. Thank you. Bye now.